Hello and welcome. I wanted to share something really important in this short video with you guys, and this is the meaning of you saying yes today. When you listen to the classes, tried the essential oil, and felt how amazing they smell, and just allowed yourself thinking, but what if? What if this is gonna help me with this? And what if it's gonna help me with that? What if I can help my son or my daughter or my mother-in-law, my husband, and myself finally? It's just or have just easier life. This is possible, guys. Just having this one oil helps with so many things, and I want you to understand, by saying yes to something, to one thing, you're actually saying yes to many wonderful magical experience that you will experience in your life as you open up your door to essential oils, guys. So just open up the bottle, right, and smell it. I have to say, this is actually there's a reason why I've got this bottle in my hands, because I was recording this little message without this spearmint, and it just came out all nonsense, and I was like, that's not what I want to say. I've got this big message, so important, I wanted to say, but the words haven't come out. Well, spearmint is an essential of communication. How wonderful! It just connects your soul, connect your mind, so finally they meet and the message suddenly comes out. That's exactly what I needed, because with me sometimes I want to say so many things and I like something else comes out instead, or way too much. So I want you to know that these essential oils will bring absolute magic into your life. So by saying yes to one thing, you're actually saying yes to dozens of things in your life. So I'm very excited for you guys, so excited, and I can't wait to open up your oils with you and tell you how amazing and what you can do in your life with these amazing oils now. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.